In this final unit, we're going to be presenting some different rendering approaches. So we're going to start off drawing difficult angles of the head. We'll also cover facial expression, which can't be well drawn unless you can draw the head at rest.
As the protege to the famous Fred Fixler, who worked directly under the legendary Frank Reilly, Mark Westermoe gained unrivaled knowledge of the Reilly Method for drawing the head, upon which he founded an illustrious career in Hollywood movie poster design. He later founded Associates in Art in Southern California, a top school for illustrators, from which many alumni became the who's who in the fields of figurative art. We hope that this series helps serve as part of his legacy.
When you only have a few minutes, you only have time to draw the most important salient features and points that present themselves. It'll just be a reminder that we want to always keep the big picture in mind, no matter how much small detail we're able to put into a finished drawing. It really does represent a summation of what we've done throughout this entire course. And again, thanks for bearing with this. This is a lot of material, but so much the better.